Namaste everyone. The geometric mean. Geometric mean, what is the formula we have given? See, the formula is G equal to anti-log of summation log x divided by n. So, this is the formula we have done in the last class, and also when frequency is given, that means for the grouped data we are writing f here capital N like this way. So, this is the formula we have written in the last class. Now, the statement is given here. See, in the data, if the data is given there, the question only they are giving, find the geometric mean or calculate a geometric mean. See, but see here, they are not given, calculate geometric mean is not given, they are given just find the average growth rate, find the average growth rate. A deposit of rupees 1000 grows at the rates 8%, 10% and 11% in 3 subsequent years. Find the average growth rate, find the average growth rate. Say in the use of geometric mean, what you have told, it is used for the measure of the average growth rate. Average growth rate, if the word that came average growth rate is came means that is we have to, that means that problem we have to calculate geometric mean. Average growth rate anta kottidre ನಾವು ಯಾವುದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, geometric mean problem ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ geometric mean problem ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ average growth rate ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ. ಸೊ ಇಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಕೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು geometric mean ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Solution. First we will do the table, that is we have to write percentage rise in deposit, percentage rise in deposit, next deposit at the end of the year, lastly this is the x value, okay, log x, we are finding log x. A deposit of rupees 1000 rupees ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು 8%, 10% and 11%, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ percentage rise in deposit. Next at the end of the year what will be that deposit value, and you should find out the log for that one. After that apply the geometric mean that formula. Now percentage rise in deposit 8%, 10% and 11%. Here see we should add 100 plus 100. See, that is a procedure of this table. That means at the end of the year we should add how much, 100. Okay. So actually base year always we are going to take 100. See, when we are calculating the previous year's values, that time we have to add plus 100. That is always a plus 100. Here at the end of the year, here also we should add a plus 100. Then 8 plus 100, that becomes 108. 10 plus 100, okay, plus 100. 10 plus 100, that is 110. 11 plus 100, that is yes, this is 110. So this is 111. So now we got values. Find the log x. First we have to write which one, characteristic, 3 digits, 3 minus 1, that is 2 point. So in the log table you should see which one, value 10 row, 10th row under column 8, 10th row under column 8, that is 0 3 3 4, 0 3 3 4, write down in the Mantissa part, that means integral. This is the characteristics, this is the mantissa. 11, 3 minus 1, that is 2 point, under 11 was 0, that is 414. Next here 3 minus 1, again 2 point, 11 ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 0453 under column 1, 11 row under column 1 0453. Add these values, that is the summation log x, So, after adding we get 6.1201. See, this is the answer, 6.1201. Next, that formula, apply that formula. Geometric mean is here G equal to antilog of summation log x divided by n. Antilog of log x value here 6 point. So, this is the answer we got 1201 divided by n. How much values are given here? 1, 2 and 3 values are given. Divide by 3. Antilog of, see, dividing by 3, we will get answer, that is 2.0400. This is the answer. Now, see the antilog table, in that 04, next one is 0, 04 antilog table, open the antilog table. So, in the point 04, in that 0, 1096, 1096. Now, here 2, should see the number is given here, how much, that is 2. What you have to do? Plus 1, in the antilog table you have to do plus 1. So, after 3 digit, 1, 2, 3, after 3 digit you should put point. See, here you have added plus 100 at the end of the year. Now, here plus 100 you are done for the calculation. Now, what you have to do? Minus 100, do here minus 100. Okay. So, that time your answer will be 9.6, 9.6 answer will get. This much of percentage rise, that much of percentage rise ಇಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಸಾರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂತ ಇದು, ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅದು 9.6. Therefore, write down there the average growth rate. Therefore, the average growth rate is average growth rate is 9.6%. 9.6%. Okay, this is one of the problem. I will do another one. Another problem is the population of a city. The population of a city increased at the rates, see, that is 8% in successive 2 years, in successive in 2 successive years. Okay, in 2 successive years. In the next 2 successive years, in the next 2 successive years, what happens that it decreased at the rates, it decreased at the rates. It decreased at the rates 5% and 4%. This one. Find the average rate of growth. Find the average rate of growth. Here also what is the question is asked? Average rate of growth. Therefore, this is also geometric mean problem. The population of a city increased. If the increase is given, what you have to do? See that percentage, 18% is given, therefore plus 100. Next, decreased at the rate that is 5%. Decreased is given 5%. Therefore, what you have to do? Again here minus 100. If the decreased word is given means minus 100. Increased is given means plus 100. How to do? Plus 100. Solution. Do the table. Percentage rise in population. Okay. Rise in population. Next, population at the end of the year. At the end of the year, that is x. Next here log x. Here log x. Percentage rise in population, given that 18% and another one 8%, do plus 100. Here plus 100, do plus 100. See that time 100 plus 18, that is 118. Next here 108. So next statement is given that it decreased at the rates of 5%, 5% and 4%. Here percentage, therefore minus 100, that is 95. Here 96. Minus 100. Here minus 100. Why? Because this one is decreased. 96. Now find the log x. In the 11, see value 8. 0719. 0719. What is the characteristic part? That is 2 point. Why? 3 digits are given, minus 1, 2 point. Again 2.0334 here. Only 2 digit, 1 point. 1.9777. 9777. Next 9823. 9823. See what we have done? Here decreased is given, therefore we have taken minus 100 here only. Don't do that minus. Okay. There you should add all the values. Illi ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು 100% ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 100 ಮಾಡಿದೆವು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ 100 ಮಾಡಿದೆವು. ಇದು 95 ಮತ್ತು 96 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಲಾಗ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆರಡನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಜೊತೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರಾಯಿತು. ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 8.0653. 8.0653. You will get this answer. Now apply that formula. G equal to here. G equal to antilog of summation log x divided by n. Antilog of here 8.0653 divided by n means how much here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now antilog using calculator divide that. Our answer 2.0163 that equal to, so in the log table, that means antilog table we will get 1039 here 2 plus 1, that is 3, after 3 digit 1, 2, 3, after 3 digit we should put point. Now what we have done here, plus 100 minus 100 we have taken. To find out the percentage, again we have to do minus 100. Therefore 103.9 minus 100, that is 3.9 percentage. 3.9 percentage. Therefore the average rate of growth of population, average rate of growth is, average rate of growth of population how much here? 3.9, okay, 3.9 percentage, 3.9 percentage, or we can take 4 percentage, okay, 3.9 means nearly equal to 4 here, 3.9 percentage, okay. Next problem, same like this way only, I will do another one. In 1990, that price of sugar increased by 10 percentage. Then in 1991, that means in another year, it increased by 20 percentage. It increased by 20 percentage. Here find the average increase in price. Find the average increase in price. Find the average increase in price. So only two values are given. Observe that one, both also given what? Increased, both also increased. Therefore percentage rise in price of sugar. Price of which one? Sugar. Then sugar price at the end of the year. Sugar price at the end of the year. At the end of the year. So this one I will take as x, then log x. Which are the values are given? 10% ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 20% ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 100 ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಆಗ 110 ಆಯಿತು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 120 ಆಯಿತು. In the log x, 3 minus 1, that is 2.11 ನಲ್ಲಿ 0, in the 11 0, 0414, again here 2 point, that is 0792, add these two values, ಎರಡನ್ನು ಸಹ add ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 4.1206, now calculation. See what is this one? This is the summation log x. Okay. G equal to antilog. G equal to antilog of summation log x divided by n. Now antilog. Antilog of log x is 4.1206 divided by 2. Now antilog of this one. Antilog of 4.1206 divided by 2. See that, so after dividing we get 2.0603, 2.0603 here, 06, you should see which one, antilog table. 0 6 in that 0. So, that 1 1 4 8 we will get. Next again in the mean difference 3 under that in the same row you have to see 3, what is the value? 1, add plus 1. Now, the answer of this one, that is 1149, you will get 1149. Now, 2 plus or minus, here anti-log you should take plus 1. 2 plus 1 3, after 3 digit 1 2 3, after 3 digit put the point. Lastly, what we have to do? We have to minus 100. So, that time 114.9 minus 100, that is 14.9. Here we get 14.9 percentage. Okay, enough problem, this much is enough. Next we will learn which one merits and demerits. Merits and demerits of which geometric mean. Okay. Here merit, that same it is based on all the values as same as what you have studied in the arithmetic mean, and it is well defined by mathematical formula. I will write here. Merits, it is based on all the values, it is based on all the values or observations. Okay. Next another one, it is well defined by which one? Mathematical formula. It is well defined by a mathematical formula. Next another one, here it is capable of further mathematical treatment. It is capable of a further mathematical treatment. Next we will write which one? Demerits. So, till now we have completed 3 averages, in that arithmetic mean, median and which one? Mode. In that 3 also what you have written in the merits, it is easy to understand and simple to calculate, but it is different from that. In the geometric mean it is not easy. Okay. It is not easy. Why? We should see which one? The table, or where we have to do plus 100, where we have to do minus 100, we have to see all that. But in that averages, this type of confusion will be not there. Therefore, this one is easy. This one is a tougher, that is easy. It is not easy to understand and simple to calculate and difficult to calculate. Okay, difficult to compute. Difficult to compute. Next, it cannot be computed when there are both positive, and negative. And negative. Zero or negative. Okay. Geometric mean is computed if one of the observation is positive or negative. Positive or negative. It cannot be computed if one of the observation is positive or negative. See, in the geometric mean, so if when you are multiplying 5 into, if the value is given 0 means what will become a 0 only, we cannot calculate. If the negative, one of the value is negative means if here again 5 into minus 5, see in your calculator that answer will become error. Second problem, in second problem I had taken that both decreased, two values I am taken decreased. In the log table sometimes you will get that answer, okay. Not this I am not telling, if two values are decreased means or one values are decreased means you will get the answer, because we are writing which one at the end of the year. At the end of the year, there we are going to minus that one. Afterwards what happened? Afterwards we are finding the log x. Therefore, in that type of problem there will be no error, error will not come, ಅಂದರೆ ಎರರ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಝೀರೋ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಝೀರೋ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಝೀರೋ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಮಗೇನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಎರರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ two demerits. Okay, these are the two demerits. One thing is you should remember, see when the average growth of rate, find that one. ಅದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಇಂಥ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನೇ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಸಿ ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Okay, thank you.